What's up, guys? It's a very hot day today in Santa Barbara, and today we are working on my buddy Justin's 5-speed manual Toyota Corolla. And here it is. Hi, Justin.
Oh, sick. Let's go.
So today we're trying to get Justin's car to pass smog because unfortunately this little Corolla over here is emitting too many particulate, I guess, from the cats. I don't know. I guess the cat's not working properly, so they say. So we're trying to do some small things here. Air filter, spark plugs, oil change, all that stuff, and hopefully a combination of all these things will get it passed. And I'm kind of hoping so, because on the sheet they gave us, it was like so close to passing, but it didn't. So, you know, we'll see. But overall, this car is super cool. It's been in Justin's family for basically the whole time, and it's a 5-speed manual Corolla Wagon. You never see these things. And this one is in such good condition. This thing is crazy. I mean, the interior is this nice blue color, and it's in better condition than my car, honestly. It's really nice. It's beautiful.
Just explain to me what you're gonna do again with the tape. How does
So when I
prevent it from like just
once the threads catch and you screw it in, it's not gonna move anymore.
Oh, right. And from there you can just slide it off.
Exactly.
Interesting.
So what I kind of do is I just kind of slowly just kind of spin it, let it find its own way. It's already going in this way.
Yeah.
This guy I know, he got these like for his work, and less people showed up than he thought, so he was like,
That's
come
crazy.
down and just, yeah.
No way.
So,
This is Justin, by the way.
what's up, man? Ryan.
Ryan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
So right now Justin's down below taking off some under trays so we can get better access to the downstream O2 sensor. And I'm up here taking off the upstream sensor, which is going pretty smoothly. Not the best wiring situation, but it seems to be okay. So we're gonna go with that and hope that a combination of all these things allows this car to pass smog. That'd be ideal, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Ooh, that's definitely old. A little bit, right? Yeah. So of course, as with any car repair, things don't go well because that always happens. So we ended up with both the wrong sensors. The pin is off. I think one of these is like a 2-pin. Well, this is actually 1-pin. This is the old sensor here. But the new replacement we got is a 2-pin, which is not what we need. So, and of course the other one for the downstream doesn't actually fit. So, you know, that is the life of working on cars. So, you better get used to it, Justin.
Yeah. Go to the right parts now.
Painful. Oh, whatever. New oil is in, new plugs are in. Let's see if it misfires. Probably will. Well, that's not bad.
Oh yeah, there you go.
That's pretty good.
No check engine light, man.
Nothing, man. Look at that. And all her glory. And then this toaster over here. Oh, God. I think this is called the 7AFE or something like that. 1.8 liter 4-banger. Probably makes like, I don't know. How much power does this thing make?
How much what?
How much horsepower?
Dude, I don't even know. It's so slow. It's so slow.
It's gonna be like 100 something, right?
I don't know, dude.
Well, there it is, folks. 115 horsepower at 5,600 RPM. This thing is a beast. That's amazing. It's also got Miata wheels on it right now, which is pretty dope, but yeah.
So now that it's like this.
Whoa. Let's take her for a test drive. Let's see. Oh, this is so easy. Wow, that's
I know.
Oh
Dude, my roommate's like, my roommate's WRX, like, the clutch is so heavy and like, oh man, it's so different.
I'll let you feel the pedal in my car when we get back. You'll be like, what? Nice and notchy too.
Oh yeah.
Feels good. It's fine. Well, this thing was a joy to drive. Now I want Justin to feel what my clutch pedal feels like in that ugly purple thing over there, because it is quite a lot heavier.
This door's heavy.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So that's what I use every day. That's how I go home on the 405 when it's, you know, back-to-back traffic.
Dude, this interior is so nice.
So if you push it hard to the left, it'll.
Is it in reverse right now? Or?
So go left all the way first. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
That's reverse. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. Pretty long throws, but it feels nice and notchy, which I like it. Yeah. And the Corolla is off. Later, man. Well, guys, that wraps up this kind of short but pretty fun video. Just working on cars and having fun. Nothing stressful, aside from, you know, incorrect parts. But hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back with the Corolla soon. We get the correct O2 sensors and some vacuum lines and some other stuff. Yeah, unfortunately the 5 Series has check engine light, so we'll be working on this thing pretty soon. Nothing too serious, just a something to do with the O2 sensor wiring harness. So, well, that's it for now, and I will see you guys soon.